Power over Ethernet, PoE, explained. Power over Ethernet, or PoE, is a groundbreaking technology that consolidates power and data delivery to devices through a single internet cable. Gone are the days of needing separate power cables and bulky adapters, as PoE simplifies wiring setups for digital devices. What is Power over Ethernet? PoE empowers Internet of Things, IoT, devices by allowing them to connect over one cable, combining both electrical and data connections. This technology is especially beneficial in hard-to-reach locations lacking local power sources, as it enables easy deployment of powered devices like IP phones, firewalls, and Wi-Fi access points. How does Power over Ethernet work? The magic of PoE lies in its two main components: power sourcing equipment, PSE, and powered devices, PD. PSE, such as a network switch or mid-span power injector, supplies power through the Ethernet cable. This injector combines low-voltage power with data, allowing PoE-enabled devices to function without a standalone power outlet, making installation simpler and more efficient. Benefits of Power over Ethernet. The advantages of using Power over Ethernet are plentiful. It simplifies installation by reducing the number of cables needed, enhances flexibility in device placement, and cuts down on the need for multiple power sources. This technology has revolutionized the integration of small to medium-sized devices into modern networks, making it essential for today's businesses. Visit our website to learn more. Whatismyip.com